Hello and welcome to today's practice. Today I'm going to guide you through my favorite exercises to do in the afternoon. For example, you've been at your laptop or at your desk doing the work and you begin to feel that midday fatigue. Your body needs to reset and needs to move. So easy, accessible, and hopefully it will make you feel better and you can return to your work feeling more productive and with more energy. Go ahead and get ready and let's begin.
If you enjoy my YouTube videos and would like to support the channel, consider joining my membership site. You get access to 600 advertising-free videos, weekly live classes, monthly calendars, and a supportive worldwide Qigong community.
We begin in a comfortable standing position with our feet underneath the hips. The lower back is nice and flat and the spine nice and long. The first exercise is probably one of the most famous ones is the twist and turn. It really helps to release some of that lower back tightness, get the blood moving through the hips, through the back, through the waist, gentle massage to the kidneys, to the abdominal area. Slowly begin to draw your attention to your body. Begin to connect, listen. Begin to notice what our body is telling us. Craving for a little bit of movement, a little bit more relaxation, perhaps a little bit more softness, fluidity. So without any judgment and no expectations, we're beginning to move. We begin to tend to our body. Begin to pay attention how we feel. Keep your arms, keep your shoulders nice and relaxed. Drawing all your attention to the core, to the legs. Allow yourself to soften, to be present for the next 10 minutes. And to simply reconnect. Well done. Begin to slow it down. Checking in, you might already feel a shift. From here, we're going to stretch. A couple of simple stretches to help us open up the body. We'll look up as we gently elongate and open through the front. And then release, drawing your hands down to relax your chest, your waist, your abdomen. Begin to create space, open up. On an exhale, allow yourself to soften. On an inhale, we'll lightly expand. On an exhale, we release. From here, keep your breath nice and natural. Let's focus on opening the chest. Reaching in opposite directions. Hold to open your heart. Release. Drawing your hands over the crown of the head. Mobilizing the entire body. Come up on your toes. Reach up. Release and relax. As much as you can. Pay attention to that wave of relaxation. We repeat. First, right across to help us open the chest, activating the meridians, running along the arms. Then move up. Attention on the spinal column, lift, engage in your core, stretch your back, release fully. One more time, going right across, engaging across the chest with the arms, feel the stretch. Elongating through the spine. And full release down. I'm not just saying that, I want you to feel it. Relax in the muscles as you move your hands down. Well done. Already begin to feel a shift. From here, to help us regulate the liver chi, we're going to open sideways, engage in the side of the body, regulating emotions like emotional stress, irritability, frustration, even anger affects the energy of the liver and gallbladder. So stretch it out and then release. So we're trying to target the area across the rib cage, into the back of the shoulder, through the arm. This one works well with the breath. Inhale, exhale. Stay in your body. Inhale, open. Exhale, release. One more, breathing in. Breathing out. Good. Relax for a moment. See if you feel a pleasant warmth, subtle activation across your waist, the ribs, or perhaps a little bit more space. That's always a good thing. After we balanced our emotions, we're going to revitalize our kidneys, the batteries of our entire body. We're going to push, compress in the back. Then we release down the back of the legs, engaging, opening up as low as you wish, comfortably. Keep the back engaged, keep the back of the legs nice and open. Give yourself a light stretch. When you're ready, you come up with a straight back. Drawing your hands to the lower belly. We repeat, moving across, feel a nice warm belt across your midsection and push forward. Release, engaging through the muscles of the back. Slowly coming up. If this feels too much, round your back and come back vertebrae by vertebrae. One more time. Always listen to your body. Always stay comfortable. Make it natural. Make it sustainable. And after a good stretch, lift up, drawing your attention to your abdomen. Allow yourself to relax. Open your belly as if your palms are supporting your lower belly, like a pillow against your tummy. And we're going to shake as we're trying to wiggle, vibrate, and stimulate the abdominal area. Feel that vibration going into your core, into your abdomen. Allow the belly to relax. Allow the muscles to relax. Improving the circulation through the area. Relaxing the body, relaxing the core, and gently stimulating the internal energy. You should feel comforting. Go a few more times. Feel the warmth from your hands going into your belly. Feel the warmth accumulating. Very good for digestion. Very good for reproductive systems. Just keep moving the energy. The fluids, the blood, everything needs to move. Good. Slow it down. We still feel a vibration. And let's connect it. Let's bring it to the kidneys. This is fun. We're going to bring the hands, the back of the hands right over the kidney area. And we're also going to bounce. And the hands will massage the kidneys. Keep it light. Keep it fun. Keep it pleasant. Relax in the back. And move in the chi across your lower back area. Again, up and down. Easy on the shoulders. Building the warmth, building the chi, activating the energy. Last few seconds. Good. Slow it down. Relax your hands by the side. Feel the vibration in your center. Feel it distributing within. Feel it generating warmth, comfort, sense of expansion, sense of space and fullness. Hopefully your lower back is happy. Then go ahead and take a nice deep breath in to finish up. And exhale, settling in. And again, deep breath in, open up. Exhale. Once more. Exhale. Good. Take a moment to notice how you feel. Make a mental note. And whenever you feel that you need a reset, that you need to boost your energy, that you're feeling a little bit fatigued, do those exercises on a daily basis and see if you feel better, if your productivity improves, and generally it just gives you that extra boost of energy. So thank you for practicing with me. As always, keep well, and I'll see you in the next video.